Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to insert automatic border inside your Excel table by putting data. In order to do that, I'm going to show you the example that I want to mean. For example, I have a table header. We have 5 columns here. And for example, I want to insert the ID number of my first guest. I'm going to put it 1. And when I press enter, I want to have the borders automatically inserted in this row, in particular row. So I'm deleting this. And now, in order to do that, I'm selecting in this row every single header which I have the datas in the columns. And from the home section above, I'm coming to styles and conditional formatting. I'm clicking this and I'm selecting new rule. And from new rule, select a new rule type. I'm coming to use a formula to determine which cell to format. Clicking this. And after that, format values, where is the formula is true. I'm saying equal. And after that, I'm inserting the $sign. And which column I want to determine which the data is insert. I'm going to put the member ID. And for that instance, I'm going to say A3 cell. If this A3 cell is not empty, less or greater than, which means it's not empty, I'm opening double quotes, closing double quotes. That means it's not empty. Doing what? I'm coming to format section. And from the format section, I'm coming to border. And from the border, I'm selecting the outline, clicking OK, and clicking once again OK, and we're done. Let's insert now a value, inserting 1, pressing enter. As you can see, every single border inside every single cell, it's automatically inserted. Let's go to the down section and insert value. I'm inserting member ID 2. Pressing enter and nothing has happened. Coming back all the way. And in order to do that, to below cells, I'm selecting the whole row that I have inserted with the columns. And from here, I'm copying to below cells, which I have determined the conditional formatting. And after that, I'm putting data. As you can see, we have automatic borders. Let's go to this, 2, 3, 10, I don't know, 8, and 9. As you can see, every single row which have copied the conditional formatting is applying the border styling. Let's delete value from member ID. As you can see, we have deleted every single border. As you can see from the number A4 cell, I have deleted the value and the borders have disappeared. I'm coming back, putting the right spot once again. I'm going to put also the numbers in order to be seen greater, like this, and I will close the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Stay tuned. I love you all. Bye.